Let's practice reading some more big numbers. This number is a 9-digit number, so it's a little bit smaller than our last example. So if we look at this number, again, we're going to read the 3 digits and then the period name. So 579,386,145. So the commas tell you the name of the period. Let's look at another one. Start on the left, 209,825,376. Once you know how to read big numbers, you're ready to learn about the different forms. So let's look at standard form first. Standard form is a way to write numbers by using digits. This is just the normal way that numbers are written. So here's our first number that we looked at today. This is standard form. Notice that we've written the number out using the digits, just the regular way that you would write the number. That's standard form. The second number form we're going to look at is expanded form. Expanded form is a way to write numbers by showing the value of each digit. So let's look at our example. 1,436,175,904. To write this in expanded form, we're going to expand it out by looking at the value of each digit. So our first digit is a 1, and that 1 is in the billions place. So the value of it is 1 billion. A trick to know how many zeros to put is to count how many digits are to the right of the number. So the 1 is in the billions place, and then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 digits to the right. So I need 9 zeros. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's the value of the 1. When we do expanded form, we do a plus sign in between the value of each digit. So 1 billion plus, the next digit is the 4, and that's in the 100 millions place. So the value of it would be 400 million. There's 8 digits that come after it, so I need 8 zeros. 1, 2, so 400 million, 3, 2, 3. The next digit is the 3 in the 10 millions, so its value is 30 million. So 30 million, and then we need 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Plus, our next digit is the 6 in the millions place, so 6 million. When we have a big number and we write it in an expanded form, there is lots of digits to write, lots of zeros. So it's really important that you double check your work. Our next digit is the 1 in the 100,000s place. So it's worth 100,000. You should be having fewer zeros for each digit that you write. Then we have the 7 is in the 10,000s, so it's worth 70,000. The 5 is in the thousands, so it's worth 5,000. Now we're to our 9 in our hundreds place. If you look at the next digit is a 0, so its value is 0. When we do expanded form, if we have a digit of 0, we do not include it in expanded form. So we're going to skip it and go on to the ones place, which is a 4, and it's in the ones, so its value is 4. So now we want to check over our work. We have 1 billion plus 400 million plus 30 million plus 6 million plus 100,000 plus 70,000 plus 5,000 plus 900 plus 4. If we add all of these up, we should get 1,436,175,904. That's how we would write that number in expanded form. The last number form we're going to look at is word form. Word form is a way to write numbers by using words. For word form, you write the number the same way you would read it. So here's our number, 1,436,175,904. So we're going to write that number the same way we would read it. When we write a number in word form, we're going to include our commas after the name of each period. So 1 billion, comma, 436 million, comma, 175. Notice I'm connecting those with a dash. 75,000, comma, 904. It's always important to read back over it to make sure you didn't leave anything out. 1,436,175,904. That's how we would write that number in word form.